Hey everyone, this is Tyler here from Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie, Alberta. Today we're going to be looking at this used 2015 Ford F-150 4x4 Supercab. Got a 145-inch wheelbase. It's a 3.5 liter engine. It comes with the chrome on the bumpers and stuff like that. You got your tow hooks there, the halogen headlights. Comes with the 4x4 system. It's got remote keyless entry. It's got heavy duty shocks. It's got power windows and everything like that. It's got the spray and box liner in the back here. Locking tailgate, so when you lock your truck, your tailgate will be locked. Got the nice spray and bed liner there. Pop this up. Yeah, it's a nice little truck. It's got about 102,000 kilometers for a 2015. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, and it's the super cab. And then the power window, also got power windows in the back, power windows in the front. Let's walk around the other side and I'll show you. Hey, you got your door here, door panel. Nice little door panel, a lot of storage here. Extra storage here. You open your door here. Got your one-touch window, move down. One-touch window comes up. And you got your lock. Got some nice F-150 mats. Comes with the running boards already installed. Manual seating. And then this is a bench seat here. And let me show you here. Underneath this bench seat, you can lift this up and you got a little storage under here. And then you could always put this down. Let me pop this down here for you. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, you pop that down like that. Yeah, if you want to keep it up so your honey can snuggle up to you when you're driving, it'll always be nice. And here you got a little storage area, glove compartment. You got all your manuals. Got the original manual in here. All the information. You got the original microfiber cloth. And let's hop to the back. You just pop the back open like that. Got more storage. Got your seat belts. You got power windows here. Go all the way down. And come all the way up. And you got your nice seating in the back here as well. And this pops up. And then you got your nice Super Duty floor mat there. Got some cup holders back here. I'll show you. Got a little 12-volt DC plug-in. There's your cup holders so people don't spill anything. And pop this down just by pulling this out. Alright, let's go around the other side and I'll show you what we got going on here. I already mentioned that there's a spray and box liner. Got mud flaps on the back so you don't shoot up any rocks. Got your nice wiring harnesses down there. Got a decent size hitch. Comes with a spare tire. The spare tire is underneath there. And going to the driver's side here. And then with these ones, you got a little key code here. And the key code for the truck is in the manual up there. Got a nice your door here. Got all your power windows. You lock your windows. And then your power mirrors, power locks. You pop in the back on this side. And you got some more storage. And then you got your power window here again. I think I locked it. Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I got your power window. You got your seat that you can lift up like that. In case you want to store something in the back and you have one back passenger. Alright, let's hop in. Show you. These seats are manual, by the way. I don't know if I told you that. And then you got your electronic park brake. You got all your controls for your lights. And you got your steering wheel. It goes up or down. I don't know if it's telescopic. I think it just goes up and down. It's a 2015 model. Alright, let's hop in. I'll show you what else we have in here. Now that we're in the driver's seat here, you got all your cruise controls. You can set whatever you need to set there. You got your volume controls. You can skip the music. Then you go through all this stuff. You got your fuel economy, average. And you go back. You got your driver assist. Got your engine hours, tire pressure, trailer sway. And you got your settings. And you got your trip 1, trip 2. Yeah, all that stuff. Let me see where I can find the kilometers here, so I can show you. There you go, 102,000. And then, yeah, you got your CD player. You got a CD player in here, it goes right here. Got all your controls for your heat. And you got your air conditioning. And then you could also get Sirius satellite radio in here, but it's not connected right now. You would have to connect that to yourself if that's something you're interested in. You got your traction control, your hazards, your stereo works in here. And you got your Sirius satellite radio. Yeah, it's unsubscribed right now. Got your media. You can connect your phones, Bluetooth audio, or you can USB it. And the USB ports are down here. You got the auxiliary in. Got a little storage area down here too. Just pop that up, and then you got your 12-volt DC plug-in right there. And then you got your cup holders right here. Nice little spot to put your phone or your iPod. And then you pop this open, and then you got your nice little storage area for all your paperwork and stuff. Got your pens. And then, yeah, you just pop this up, and you got another seat right there. Yeah, it's a pretty nice vehicle. Got a decent amount of kilometers for the year it is. If you want to stop by Big Lakes Dodge here in Prairie, we can get you all set up and then hopefully work out a deal. All right, everyone, have a good day.